Martyrs of Pakistan. Our armed forces have no doubt to brave soldiers and officers who are always ready to sacrifice their lives for their country. Some of them have set the highest standards of gallantry and earned themselves Nishan-e-Haider, the highest military award in Pakistan. Enacted in 1947, this award is aimed at paying tribute to military personnel who act heroically under extreme high risk situations and sacrifice their lives for their country. Nishan-e-Haider. Haider was the title of Hazrat Ali, the fourth Caliph of Islam. This award honored the memory of one of the greatest servants of Islam, whom Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, referred to as the Lion of God. Nishan-e-Haider has only been awarded 11 times to the martyrs of our armed forces. Captain Muhammad Sarwar Shaheed. Captain Raja Muhammad Sarwar belonged to the Punjab Regiment. In July 1948, he was serving as company commander in the Uri sector in Kashmir. Indian Army had landed in Srinagar on October 27, 1947, and since then advanced up to Uri. The enemy had plans to capture the remaining Kashmir. The commanding officer in the Uri sector asked for the volunteer who could silence enemy tanks and guns by surprise attack. Captain Server volunteered to lead that attack. Leading from the front, he attacked fortified enemy positions and continued to advance despite heavy gunfire from the enemy. Major Raja Aziz Bhatti Shaheed. Major Raja Aziz Bhatti was born in Hong Kong in 1928. His family moved to Pakistan before independence in 1947 and got settled in a village of Kharia, Gujarat. He joined Pakistan Army in 1950 and was commissioned into a Punjab regiment. He was an outstanding military officer throughout his career and stood out in his batch. He was the first recipient of the Sword of Honor out of 300 officers of his batch. On September 10th, while directing his team and watching the enemy's moves, he was shot by the enemy tank shell in the chest. He embraced martyrdom on the spot. Before his martyrdom, he was asked to take a much-needed rest. He replied, "Don't remind me. I'll shed even the last drop of my blood for my dear homeland." He was buried in the village. He was also awarded the Nishan-e-Haider for the gallantry and the exemplary courage he displayed.